Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT on mobile. So it's super easy and quick. So all you basically got to do is simply search for Chat GPT and you will get this link at the top. Now click on this. So once you click on it, it will load up like this. So if it's not load for you, that is because it wants you to be logged in, but it never asks you to actually log in. That's why it gives you more than 20 redirects, and then this sort of like site will be blocked or gives an error. So if you are facing the same problem, then what you can do is you can simply go for this direct link. So you have to go this direct link, then just click on it. So now I can actually log in or sign up. So I already have an account, then I will go to this login and click on this continue with Google, and I will log into my account, and you can see that my chat GPT is logged in now. I am now in chat GPT. This actually looks exactly the same as on PC. It's just a like mobile format, of course. So yeah, you can see the capabilities, limitations, and the great thing is all these chats I actually have before on my PC. You can now switch to these chats. So that's how you can use ChatGPT on mobile, so easy and quick. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.